Heading up the spiral staircases here, up to the roof. Man, this place didn't turn out to be all so bad. It's literally like a castle in the middle of the desert. Not so bad at all. What do you have? Give me a shot. Just got dropped off by David. Picked me up in this parking lot yesterday and dropped me off here today, so I'm not missing any miles. Gotta earn them all, but yeah, that was a really cool experience. Ended up turning out pretty good and pretty cool. You can't plan for stuff like that, so as bad as the situation was to start off with, it ended up pretty ideal. So now off to Eureka, it's called. I think it's about 115-ish K, so not too bad. Got to finish off this huge hill to start the day, and then it's kind of downhill and flat from there, so let's get it. They didn't lie. Loneliest road in America. Nobody around. Just old Nick. Keep on pedaling. We've been absolutely cruising along today. Taking a 5-minute 5 here. This is not feeling so ideal though. We're in Eureka. Pretty short and easy day here, about 111K. We're in Eureka, Nevada. And this marks 7 days of my trip, 1 week in. So that's 1 week under the belt. The body's feeling all right. My legs feel like I just did a huge leg day, like the day after a huge leg day, but I feel like that every day. My T-bands feel like they're about to snap, and my kneecaps are killing me, and I got a huge blister on my heel, and my arm's kind of numb from gripping the handlebars all day. My hands don't really work right, but other than that, we're golden. So don't really know where I'm going to be going tomorrow, but it's good to get at least another 100K done today, especially after yesterday's big day. And yeah, I can't thank David enough for helping me out in that situation. Super nice people. So if you're ever in Austin, Nevada, go check out the Castle Bed and Breakfast. They'll hook you up real swift. So I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll be talking to you. Keep us bed.